Welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 6th of October. First of all, national news. Mamata Banerjee's advice for tourists stuck in flood hit Darjeeling. Bihar voter list revision in accordance with law, election body chief. Telangana's quota issue in Supreme Court, state plan strategy session. India's red lines have to be respected. S. Jaishankar on trade deal with US. Fair prices, more flights, aviation body to airlines before Diwali rush. Now international news. Israel agreed to withdrawal line. Hamas must move quickly, Trump. Trumpist Czech billionaire Andres Babis said to return to power after election win. Trump's budget Grim Reaper eyeing big cuts amid US government shutdown. And now sports news. Australian players fall sick, one in hospital after eating food in Kanpur, BCCI reacted. India defeated Pakistan by 88 runs in their Women's World Cup match in Colombo on Sunday. Sevilla rout champions Barcelona in shock La Liga thrashing. Now news related to business. India-US trade deal has to respect New Delhi's red lines. Efforts underway to address issues, Jaishankar. OPEC Plus to raise oil production by 137,000 barrels a day in November. India-EU to begin next round of talks for trade pact from October 6 in Brussels. And that's all in news. Thank you.